So now today we are going to revise active and passive voice with this worksheet. I did not beat her. Which one is correct?
Was not beaten by me.
Ma'am, C.
C. Why C? Do you know the reason?
C was not beaten. Ma'am,
Because
because
did is there. Yes, it is past tense, so it will be changed into was. She was not beaten by me. Tell me this one. I will never forget this experience. Which tense is this, children?
ma'am,
Come on.
C.
Which tense it is? I will never forget this experience.
C part.
Ma'am, C. Ma'am, C part.
Can you tell me the tense? Which tense it is? Which tense it is? Present, past,
Ma'am,
future.
future.
Simple future.
Ma'am, future. Ma'am, future.
Mother made a cake yesterday.
Ma'am, third.
Ma'am, third.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
third.
The boy teased the girl.
Ma'am, first.
Did she do her duty? Did she do her duty?
Ma'am, second.
Ma'am, second.
Was her duty done by
Ma'am,
her?
second.
Next one.
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, first.
The tiger was chasing the deer.
Ma'am, A part. B. B. Ma'am, B part.
B
Ma'am,
part.
B
Because we are
part.
removing ing, okay? She has written a novel. Has written a novel. A novel has been written by her.
Ma'am,
She
B.
has
Ma'am,
learned her
B.
lessons.
Ma'am, B. Her lesson has learned by
Her lessons.
first.
First one.
Ma'am, second. Ma'am, second.
Second.
Have you finished the report?
Ma'am, second.
Ma'am, second.
The police
Ma'am,
have caught the
second.
thief. The police have caught the thief.
The thief has been caught by the police. Ma'am, third.
Ma'am, first. Ma'am, first. Ma'am, first.
Ma'am, first.
Now you can see the answers.
Ma'am, all are correct.
Yes. She was not beaten, we can see from up. So all are correct. Okay.
Ma'am, please show the questions. First question.
Ma'am, we have to write in notebook also, na?
Yes, you can write in notebook. Otherwise, we'll start with the next exercise. Now it's clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have done some exercise.
Can you tell this one? We waste much time on trifles. Which one is correct? Which one is correct? Much time was wasted on trifles. Much time will be wasted on trifles. Much time is wasted by us on trifles. Much time is wasted on
Ma'am,
trifles.
much time was
Ma'am, A.
wasted on trifle.
Ma'am, A part.
Was will
Ma'am, A
come.
part.
A part.
Ma'am, B.
Where is
Ma'am, A
second form? It's not a past tense, beta. It is simple present. Okay. So what will be the answer?
Ma'am, C. Ma'am, C part.
You can see answer C.
Ma'am,
Okay.
C.
Ma'am, C.
You don't need to wind this watch.
We don't need to find this watch need not be wound. This watch. Ma'am, B part. This watch need
Ma'am,
not.
T part.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, T. T.
A is correct. Need not be wound.
Ma'am,
Okay.
A.
This watch need not.
The task would have been completed by tomorrow. The task would have been completed by that time tomorrow.
Ma'am, C.
Ma'am, A.
Ma'am,
Some
C.
people,
Ma'am,
Ma'am
A.
A.
Ma'am, A.
Ma'am A.
why A will come?
Ma'am, C.
C would have been. What do you understand by this? Would have been. If it is would have been, what do you mean by that?
One's voice, no voice.
Ma'am, we will be completing the task by that.
Even would have been. Okay. We have already done the exercise. We have already done the exercise. Is this present perfect? This is present
Yes, ma'am.
perfect. Then it will be changed again into present perfect. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So which one is correct according to you? Which one is correct? Come on, children, you can tell me, I think.
Ma'am, D.
D. We
Ma'am,
use,
B.
yes,
Ma'am,
D.
B.
Because we
Ma'am,
don't
D.
use is with has have. Okay. So answer is D.
Yes, ma'am.
Because you have seen the exercise has already been done by us, has been already done by us. One should not give unsolicited advice. You change this one, unsolicited advice, change it. Come on, children, tell me.
Ma'am,
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 A.
advice
A.
should not be given.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
A.
Ma'am, A.
Unsolicited advice is not
Ma'am,
to be
A.
given.
Why A?
Ma'am, A.
Is not there. How can we use is here? If it is written should,
Ma'am, it will be D.
yes,
Ma'am, D.
it will be
Ma'am,
D.
D.
Should not be given.
D.
D is
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Yes. Option D is correct. The boys elected Mohan captain.